And welcome back to the Dark Cosmic Universe. My name is Avian Savage. I know it's been a while, but had a couple things going on in my life, but that's okay. Welcome back. I want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching the videos, and also a huge, correct my voice there, a huge thank you so much. We broke 300 a few days ago. I was checking up on my YouTube, and which I always do. And I just could not believe. I had to look once, I had to look twice. Holy cow, we got over 300 subscribers. I am so excited. That definitely means, yes, I will be paying the dues. And I will be giving away, well, we're going to do a video, for this incredible Sonic figure. And Tails figure to one lucky subscriber out there, and I'll let you guys know when that video comes up. You'll just see it. It'll be Sonic, it'll be Tails on there as the video, and then that will be the video that you will leave a comment, and I will tell you the rules of the particular the particular video about doing that. But got mail call, and you're probably wondering, why did I break out my Predator figures, the Yaojin? So here we go. Predator. They're just known as Predator. And up here I have a Terminator figure. Well, if you've seen the picture from the video, you know exactly what's going to be in here. So we're going to do an unboxing from eBay. Picked up a few things, and I said, wouldn't it be cool if I went into that franchise called The Terminator with Schwarzenegger? Well, I kind of did if you think about it, with the Predator, because he was in Predator 1. So yes, so we're going to go into this, and I am so excited. And again, things are falling over as they always do. Again, thank you guys so much for following me. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for checking out the channel and sharing the videos, and also watching the videos and everything else you do. So for all amazing purposes, we are going to say thank you. Seashell was here to check out things, but here we go. Let's check it out. Now, I believe this came with the, let me think here. I believe it was the 5-inch figures or the 6-inch Terminator figures for Terminator Salvation. This is the damaged Terminator figure. As you can tell, he's missing some parts, but this is how it was molded. Pretty cool. Again, I just said that would be kind of cool for just a background piece, just kind of have. And it's kind of big as compared to, let's say, a 4-inch figure over here. So here's the Arnold from the Super 7, the Funko line. Or no, sorry, Super 7, the Super 7 reaction line, excuse me. And you can definitely tell that the Terminator is a lot bigger. But, so we get a close-up on this. I don't know if you guys remember, I did acquire this from the flea market for $1. And again, I was like, hey, I've got a Terminator figure, but I do not have, can we get this little focus? It's not focusing here. I don't know why. I don't know. My camera's just acting up. Maybe it's just, there we go. So I wound up getting this at a flea market for $1. And I said, well, wouldn't it be cool to kind of like, go into the franchise? And for some reason, I just had this like Terminator thing. So again, I get in those modes where, there's like certain things I just collect right at that moment. And it just happened to be Terminator. So, got that. There goes the Yaojin. And again, these are the Predator, the Predator figures that I got from a while ago. Now, these are the reaction figures. And Super 7 wound up taking over the line. And again, it's the 5 points of articulation. Arms go up, legs kind of move a little bit. Head maybe has a bit of rotation in there, but like I said, I grew up on these, I grew up on 5-point or articulation figures back in the 70s, early 80s, and kind of stuck with that. And Super 7 has been, putting out some really cool ones. So thank you, Super 7. So let's go into the bag here and check out some of the stuff. Now, some of the stuff is not from Super 7 or Reaction. But here we go. So this is what I got in this bag, and someone put nicely, said Terminator Salvation. John Connor is in here. Yeah, so this is from the Terminator salivation, and as you can see, you already see the other ones going on. So we've got Marcus from Playmates. I'm going to go one by one here. And again, he's like in the 4-inch scale line, and we'll just do it real quick. Get the ruler out here. So yeah, he's just under the 4-inch mark. Very well scaled, very well detailed. That's the word I was trying to figure out. But it comes with a lot of articulation. And again, they did some really cool detail. And you can see his Terminator parts in here. So this is kind of cool. And I was like, wow, I got to have this figure. And can you believe it? I actually missed out on this line when it first came out. It just wasn't something I was interested in at the time. But that's the cool thing about figures, is that you might not be into a line at the time, but you're like, oh, it would be cool if I had those figures, and then that's what you got. You go looking for them, and that's the thrill of the hunt. So I'm going to put my Terminator background. This is really cool. It's going to make a really cool background piece as, Destroy Terminator. I've got bigger ones from the Kenner line. I might do a review on that. All right, so here's the other Marcus figure. And again, it comes with lots and lots and lots of articulation, as you can tell in the arms. And again, this is like the 4-inch scale. It's got some knee joints in here. The sculpting was really well. That's what the details, the sculpting. The hands do move a little bit, which I thought they did. The head goes back and forth, but it might be a little bit on the tight side, but that's okay. A really cool figure to have. And again, I was just like, yeah, got to do that. So I have, like, believe it or not, again, when I started doing, the collecting the figures, I thought I was just going to be into the Predators, and that's it. All right, so here's John Connor, and looking really cool. Christian Bale. Can't really see his face with this particular one, but again, he's got the camo going on. He's got some padding for protection. Now, none of these figures did come with any weapons, so I'm going to find some figures, some weapons to go along with the figures. So it can be anything. Even like with the Terminator figures, the Predator figures, I could do anything with that. And the one I was really interested in getting, and again, not like that was just the whole reason, is that I did not have like a 4-inch scale Terminator figure. Something a little bit smaller to go with the rest of my figures. And this one actually looks really, really awesome. The detail here, the wash that they did, Playmates did a really amazing job. Now, these figures were going for, well, quite a hefty price, on eBay. So I was able to find a lot. And they came out pretty good. So let's check it out. Measuring him, measuring the robot. I'm not sure if it has a gender, but I'm just saying. All right, so just under 4 inches. Pretty cool figure, very well articulated. And again, you can see the arms going up. It's got some joints for the elbow joints, and then also I think in the knees. Yeah, in the knees. And if I remember correctly, had some articulation here on the bottom, just a little bit. But again, yeah, they did an awesome job, and I'm so glad that I picked this up. Again, didn't get any weapons, but that's kind of the easy thing to do. And the reason why I got the Terminator figure, because I wanted to check out the Reaction Terminator figure, which is, again, like huge with the chrome, and his foot fell off. I don't know where the foot is. He does have a foot. It is here somewhere, and I can, trust me, I just had it on, so it's here. I will find it, and again, that's what we get for doing a video without checking out. It's got to be here somewhere. I'll find it. But again, like the different sculpting, as you can tell, and really cool figure, very shiny, wicked cool. So yeah, I'll find his foot. It's got to be here somewhere. It's a damaged Terminator. That's okay. I'm okay having fun with that. So I wound up getting that one, and then I wound up seeing some more Terminator figures, and I did want a Schwarzenegger one. So I wound up getting this one, again, another eBay auction, and looks a lot like Schwarzenegger. He's got the leather coat. I guess it was leather pants and the boots. And again, 5 points of articulation. This one again is from Super 7, and pretty cool. Very excited about that. Glad I got that in my collection here. And I will put Arnold with Arnold. And last but not least, now the seller, when I got that, wound up putting a little bit extra in it. See, figures go flying. That's okay. That's what happens. The figures go flying, and we have tons of fun here. The seller wound up putting Sarah Connor in her. I did not have Sarah Connor. I thought, wow, that's so cool. Again, sometimes you get some really cool eBay sellers, and they're like, they'll put a little extra in there. And I'm very glad that I got this, because that was actually going to be one of the figures I'll be getting next. Because, if you've got Schwarzenegger, and you got John Connor, you'd want to get Sarah Connor too. And again, these did not come with any weapons, but I will definitely get some accessories for the figures. And I'm very excited about this, and I thought I would share it with you. Again, yes, thank you guys so much for... I'm going to put her up here. Hopefully she doesn't fall over. There we go. I'm just so excited that I was able to add this to my collection. These figures, they're really, really cool. Again, we've reached over 300. Thank you guys so much. It is a feat amongst feats. It is so much, I got some serious happiness going on here for getting over 300. And we're going to go and keep going to, let's go to 1,000. Hopefully, someone who I know, they said, how many play buttons do you have? I'm like, I don't have any play buttons. They're like, you should. But I'm like, no, I don't. Eventually, it'll happen. But again, small steps here. I'm having way too much fun here. Seashell did stop by here for a little bit. She decided that it was going to be a hi goodbye, and that's okay. That's what she does. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing, and checking out these videos, checking out the past videos, checking out the shorts. I put some shorts up there too. We've gotten some new subscribers to the shorts, so thank you guys for doing that. So don't forget, check out the Instagram page, check out the Facebook Dark Cosmic Universe page, and don't forget to check out my eBay page, because when I sell stuff on eBay, I recycle the money and I buy some new stuff just like this. So I did sell some shirts, and I said, what, let's go in with this, and that's what I did. All right, guys, so here is my current collection of the 4-inch figures here. Do you guys have any of these? Which ones do you have? Which ones were you hoping to have? Were you thinking about, hey, I'm thinking about it, but not sure what they would look like? And honestly, I think they look really cool together. The Predator figures, the Terminator figures, you put them all together, and it's something special, definitely. So anyway, guys, I'm going to end the video really short. Thank you guys again. Thank you for watching the shorts. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing, sharing my videos. I so appreciate it. We are growing the Dark Cosmic Universe. We're going to get to 1,000. Trust me, that is going to be one of my great goals. But we got to 300. That's an awesome goal to get. We went from having like 5 to, I think, 100. Then we went to 200. Now we're up to the magic 300. And we do have a giveaway coming up, so be looking for that, the Sonic and Tails. And again, the only way to get a chance, for the figures is that you need to be subscribed. Again, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything, and you have a possibility of getting some free figures on the way with it too. And again, so one lucky subscriber will be getting Sonic and Tails. We will do a drawing for that. You'll see when that video comes up, and I'll give you guys the details, give everyone the details that for the video. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you guys so much. My name is Avian Savage. This is the Dark Cosmic Universe. We did a opening of some eBay purchases. We got some 4-inch figures to add to the edition, so I'm so excited about that. And they look really, really cool. I'm definitely going to have to bulk up and get some more Terminator figures, get some of the robots over here, and get a little army going on, and then setting some dioramas up. My name is Avian Savage. This is the Dark Cosmic Universe. To my Dark Cosmic family, to my Dark Cosmic comrades out there, you guys know what I'm going to say. Say it together with me. Say it loud. Say it strong. Say it proud. Stay cosmically insane, my friends. More videos coming up. Thank you guys so much. I so appreciate it. And we will see you here on the YouTubesphere.